Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, we are gonna discuss about the barbiturate structure, synthesis, IUPAC name, and structure activity relationship. Before entering into the topic, the famous lines written by the leader Nelson Mandela is that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. First, this is the structure of barbiturates, specifically barbital. IUPAC name 5,5 diethyl pyrimidine 2,4,6 trione. Synthesis. Barbital can be synthesized by the condensation of diethylmalonic ester with urea in presence of sodium ethoxide to give barbital. Next, structure activity relationship. First, in this structure, it has 3 keto groups. So, tri-keto form is most stable in aqueous solution. Next, 4,6 dialcoholic tautomeric forms are least stable in aqueous solution. Next, in the fifth position, 5,5 disubstituted barbituric acid is the prime requirement for the barbiturates to be sedative and hypnotics. Then the esterification of the fifth position substituents yields agents with analgesic activity but with weak hypnotic properties. Then introduction of the polar functional group. So for polar functional groups like alcohol, ammonia, sulfur dioxide. In the fifth position yields compounds which fully devoid of sedative hypnotic or anticonvulsive activity. Then as the number of carbons at R2 position carbon increases, the lipophilicity of the drug increases. Then finally, the modification of the second position oxygen of barbiturate backbone with sulfur atom yields thiobarbiturate derivatives with increased lipophilicity. So it has short duration of action, faster time of onset compared to oxiderivative compounds. So like our video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.